So guys, we've been doing this a while, right? And this is all they've been this show was probably more exciting than any one we've been to in years. There was a little bit of energy around this being released, and I think as we can tell from this, from the world we live in today, this is a hot topic. Everybody wants to be talking about this. But I do really agree with in the way that the strategy they have took between Aura, Leo, and Marie. Um, I mean, even in the beginning, and even I believe that if we've been skeptical around the 3D experience platform or having a hard time understanding that transition, integrating AI into these platforms, I think gives us a better opportunity for success. If that's anything I could tell you about using AI tools and figuring things out, I would tell you ask it, right? And that's going to be a large capability that even Aura is going to bring to these design environments, just helping people on board, learn the tools, where things are at, being able to easily ask and prompt to get those and get that information is going to be really, really helpful. The Leo thing goes way farther than what Tanner has even shown. I mean, we're talking about being able to take pictures of images, immediately generate solid files off of those picture images, and STLs not necessarily full featured at that level, right? Being able to use these prompts to understand what your bill of materials are, component counts. Like it's really cool stuff when we think about when I think about what you want available working at that. The Marie thing is the material sciences and all the really cool stuff was really exciting. And I would also say this, I would also direct you to go do a search and look at the second day of 3D Experience World this year and listen to, there's a 30-minute segment out there with Jensen Huang and the CEO of Dassault talking about how all of this stuff fits together and what the vision is in front of us. You have to think that's the vision. We're over here at the start, right? But there was a vision to get us here. So I do think that we're in the start of some really exciting times, right? Something that I think this is going to be revolutionary. Like when we went from 2D to 3D, I think going from 3D to overarching AI technologies around our CAD environments is that revolutionary. I really do.
And Jerry asks, where can I download the presentation from 3DX? I don't think you can download the whole presentation, but I'll show you where you can find it on YouTube. All of them are linked on the SolidWorks or 3D. I think it might be the Dassault page. I'll look here at the end and I'll show you where those videos are. But it's all available on YouTube because they streamed it live, and you can grab screenshots from there. And if you really want the presentation, let me know and I'll run it up the flagpole with someone from SolidWorks and see what I can find.